What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to go over how much money I make on YouTube or social media in general and how I go about doing that. So if you guys are starting channels or interested in YouTube as a living, I'm going to show you how to do it. So as of this month, YouTube is showing that I am making a grand total of $450 American showing people videos. Now, I don't know about you, but that kind of money, you're not going to thrive or survive at all. So you're going to have to figure out some other options, or things are going to get pretty ugly pretty quick. Currently, I have about 93,000 subscribers. That money could be different, really based on advertising revenue, who wants to push ads to your channel. If you're a financial channel, you're going to get higher revenue from the same amount of views. But if you're a channel like mine, it might be a little lower. So all of you guys know that I make videos that have tutorials, patterns, artwork, all that people can purchase. And that is the primary source of my income through social media. So if you go on my Etsy site or my Squarespace, you can get my patterns and artwork. And I'm currently making about $3,000 American a month just off those sales alone. Now, all that revenue, almost all that revenue, is pushed from YouTube. So you guys are watching this video, small percentage of you guys are gonna go watch. So you guys are watching this video. Small percentage of you are gonna go pick up those patterns and artwork, and I'm gonna get some revenue from that. Now, obviously, people are gonna say, "Well, that's not YouTube revenue." Well, the vast majority of the people that are going to pick up those patterns and that artwork are seeing my videos and then being moved over to pick up the patterns and artwork. So I consider that all part of my social media revenue. And if you're starting a crafting channel, you really need to think about those kind of things and using your audience to drive traffic to your business. Whether that is something that they're going to purchase products from you, or if they're just grabbing patterns and artwork like they do for me, you make sure you utilize that audience well. I've been pushing my Teespring stuff for a while now. I'm not really making much money on Teespring, but I make between $30 and $50 a month on Teespring. And that revenue is driven, again, through YouTube. You can all see shirt designs on the bottom of my videos, and that is pushed to Teespring. So there's some little extra money. It pays a phone bill. Everything counts. One of the first things you can do as a creator on YouTube to help your revenue stream is to get an Amazon Associates account. Now, you can see all the links in the description of this video to various tools, or to my influencer account on Amazon, which is something that they give to people on a case-by-case basis. Thank you. Totally not editing that at all. Amazon gives influencer storefronts to people on a case-by-case basis, but if you're just starting out, you can get an Amazon Associates account and put links from YouTube that are your personal affiliate links into the description of your videos. You're going to see in this some of my favorite tools, some of my featured tools, and things like that. So I'm currently making around $300 a month doing Amazon Associates, and that's all thanks to you guys checking out my videos and getting suggestions for tools and supplies and picking them up on Amazon. Even if you go to Amazon through one of my links and go buy a TV for some reason, I'm going to get a percentage of that revenue. Interesting, huh? Once you hit about the 10,000 subscriber mark, people are going to start offering you brand deals, jewelry, tools, etc. I've gotten a few jewelry offers that I have included in videos, and you're going to have to decide which ones that you are okay with and feel comfortable with showing to your subscribers. It's incredibly important because I get tons of brand deals thrown my way, and I turn down most of them. But you can do a brand deal. If you're somebody in my position, you can do a brand deal where you intro a video and have like sponsored by, and probably at 93,000 subscribers, you can probably ask anywhere from $500 to $900 American just for that ad spot for those people. So remember that. Lastly, there's Patreon, where I'm making about $840 a month. The people on Patreon range in what they are giving me as patrons, anywhere from $1 a month just to say thank you, all the way up to $9 and above. So my highest tier on Patreon is $9, but some people just give me more because they're thankful for what I'm doing. So if I release 5 pieces of artwork in a month, the people that are paying $5 to get artwork get all the artwork. And I'm usually posting that artwork for anywhere between $3 and $6 on my Squarespace and Etsy sites. So it's a good deal for them. Same goes with patterns, or a pattern and artwork combination for $9. There's lots of varieties you can do, and it's working out okay so far. Thank you to all my patrons, by the way. And that's doing social media almost full time. So take that into account. You can't just whip off a couple videos and then hope for the best. You've got to be producing content on the regular. Some of you have seen me not produce content for a while, and my revenue goes down pretty quickly. So you got to stay on top of it. At least a video a week would be good. I'm not even doing that yet. So optimally, a video every week, same time, same day, just as if it was a TV show. Well, there you go, everybody. Now you know that it is possible to make money on social media. Obviously, it is. There's a whole bunch of people doing it. But as a crafter, you really need to focus on getting people to buy your products, whether they're patterns or actual physical products, because you're going to be putting a whole bunch of time into those videos. A lot more than people that are just doing talking head videos like this one, where they're just talking to the camera, editing it, throwing it on YouTube. So things where you're being a craftsperson, it is integral that you are directing people to your business site. So hopefully that was useful for you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh yeah, and keep on being creative in whatever it is you do.